Welcome back. In this video, we'll move our pump to a new position for easier maintenance, redraw the connected piping, and add important components such as pipe supports and a check valve. Let's draw a reference line to align the pump with the vessel. Now move the pump into position using Command Move. Select Moving Point. And with the Rotate command, turn it around. Be sure to select the correct axis before rotating. Let's change pipe route. We'll use the same flange and simply add it here. Let's route the pipe and adjust the diameter. The program will automatically insert a reducer where needed. Finally, we'll route the line all the way to the vessel. Here you can see two short pipe segments, which look like a welding point. In the isometric drawing, this will show up as a pipe weld. To avoid that, it's better to draw one continuous pipe. Let's route discharge line. I will speed up a little bit. These pipes look like they're hanging in the air, so we definitely need to add supports. In real installations, supports are essential to carry the weight of the pipe and the fluid inside. Without them, stress would be transferred to the pump and equipment nozzles, which could cause damage over time. Let's place supports under the horizontal runs, keeping the spacing realistic, usually every 2 to 3 meters depending on pipe size. On the upper pipe, I want to align the support. I don't need to know the exact distance. Instead, I'll draw a vertical reference line and then place the support along that line. Now let's move on to valves. We'll open the pipe library and take a look at the options. Here I can see a check valve, so let's place that in our line. A check valve is very important on the pump discharge side because it prevents the fluid from flowing backwards when the pump is stopped. This protects the pump and keeps the system running safely. That's it for this session. We moved our pump to a new position, rerouted the pipes, added supports, and installed a check valve. Now the layout looks both functional and realistic. In the next video, we'll move on to isometric drawings, which We'll see how all these elements are represented in detail. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next part.